grade 5 and 6. So for day one of our online learning this term, we're going to start with a couple things. The first thing that I want you to do today is to go into the Google Classroom. We haven't used Google Classroom for math yet this year. So you should have received yesterday an email inviting you to join the class. So grade 5s will be joining the grade 5 math class, grade 6s will join the grade 6 math class. And then if you go into that, there will be an assignment for you to do today. So I'm going to show that to you a second. So when you open up your first assignment, today's assignment is just practicing some multiplication and division facts. So your screen is going to look like this. If you want to make it a little bit larger, you can click on View and view it in full screen. That just makes things a little bit bigger. So you have a bunch of numbers over here that you're just going to drag over to make all of these equations correct. So 4 times 7 is 28. Just practicing your facts today and practicing getting comfortable with Google Classroom because I'll be doing some more assignments of this sort. So you've got 4 slides here, 2 that are multiplication facts, 2 that are division facts. And then on this last slide, the 5th slide, I want to show you how to do something. There might be sometimes where I ask you to add an image to show a picture of the work that you've done. So this gives some instructions for this. So on this slide, I want you to add an image. It says you're going to draw an emoji on just any scrap piece of paper that shows how you're feeling about learning at home this week. Let me just draw mine a second. And then you're going to follow these steps. So you're going to click Insert. You can see here, I'll do it right along with click Insert, Image, and then over to the arrow, and then down to Camera. It might ask you if you're allowed to use the camera. You just click Allow, and then you're going to see the camera there. You're just going to put your emoji in front of the camera, click on the camera button, click Insert, and just like that, it takes that image and puts it into the slideshow. So I want you to just do that so that I know that you're comfortable with doing that, because there will be times where I might ask you just to upload or show a piece of your work in that way. So that's all that you need to do in the Google Classroom today. So after you're done your Google Classroom assignment, the other thing I would like you to do today is to spend a bit of time practicing your multiplication with a game. So in the bag that went home with everybody, there is a copy of the Multiplication Squares game. There's also a harder version of it that's got the bigger numbers on it. There should be 2 dice, regular dice for you to use with the easier version, or some dice that I made that have the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, so you can practice multiplication facts with larger numbers. So you can find a sibling or someone to play that with you, or you can just choose 2 colors and play it on your own. Remember, you roll the 2 dice, multiply the numbers together. I rolled a 3 and a 5, so I got 15. So I would look here somewhere on there, find a 15. I don't color the whole square in, I just draw one line beside a 15. And then if you are the person who draws that 4th line and makes the whole square, then you get to color in the box. All right, so you can spend some time today practicing the multiplication facts using that game. Have fun. Talk to you later.